Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about the IFB Neptune S61 model dishwasher, how to load and how it will get washed out all the vessels, and how we are supposed to place the vessels and which vessel have to be placed. Everything I am going to show, and these are the things which we are going to use it for the dishwasher purpose, and this is only for the dishwasher purpose, please. Okay, now I've placed all my vessels over here, and now you can watch here. All I've kept all my spoons in first one, and the second tray you can find all your small spoons and small bowls and the coffee cups I've placed over here. And remember, you have to place the vessel in this position itself. If you keep like this, the vessel will be filled with the water when the time you open the dishwasher, the completion time. So you're supposed to keep your vessel in the opposite direction. Now in this, I have placed some plates. You should have some gap in between so that water will go in between also. To wash vessel it will be easy, and don't dump. You have to place a vessel in a systematic manner, which you can observe here. This is in hot box, and I've already washed only with the water, nothing much, not with the soap. And I've placed over here. It have to be in same position. And mixie jars the same way. This I've kept it in a cross manner so that it won't fill inside, water won't be filled inside. So here I've kept some extra plates because these two plates were left out. And this how I've placed all the vessels. And after that you have to check with this fans. You have to check whether this fan is rotatable or not. If it is touching, look, it have to rotate in such a manner. Then we have placed the vessels, everything in a perfect manner. And here there is one more fan, which even you have to test before switch on in the dishwasher. This is also a perfect way. So I'm done with it. Now I'm going to tell you the powder which I'm going to use. This is the liquid which I'm going to use it for the rinse purpose, which the vessels will shine and it will sparkling shining will come if you use this liquid. And you don't need to use much. You can use one cap with this, that you have to place it over here, which I've already placed over here, so I'm not putting it right now. Once it is over, then only I will, because the dishwasher will show the symbol once this get over. And here, this clean your dishwasher. This powder I'm gonna use dishwashing detergent, just like a washing machine powder, but washing machine how we will prefer for the front load and top load, just like that we are supposed to use this detergent for the dishwasher purpose only. I'm again repeating you guys, this we have to use only for the dishwashing purpose only, that too in the dishwasher. And this powder we are supposed to I have put 1 spoon of detergent powder to wash the vessels. Now it is done, so I am supposed to close this. I've closed it. Now what you have to do is, the one more is salt. This is very important for the hygiene purpose. And this is also everything I'm using only the IFB brand because it's an IFB Neptune SX1 dishwasher. You can view. So now what you have to do is salt. We will put it over here. This place you have to open the cap. I think it is visible for you guys. But now I've already filled it. Once it is over, then I'm gonna make one more video how which I have to use and cleaning purpose. Everything I'm gonna make one more video. So now I'm gonna close this. And now you can, I'm gonna on it, and the options will be shown here. And our vessels are it's been loaded, but still it is being washed 50%. So no need to keep for it is approximately 3 hours. But I'm always using this option, which is it will come around 1 hour, not more than 1 hour. So I always use this with steam. Everything will be more normal, and it will come such a extent that all vessels will dry in this. And of course, if you go with this degree and this degree also, it will be, but I always go with the 50. So let's get started. And once it is done, I'm gonna show you all the vessels how it is done. Now you can see this with hot water the vessels are washing. It is just 5 minutes over. It is still washing, and just to show you people, I've just opened it. There is one light so that you can view. In between also you can open and you can see how it is washing. Okay viewers, now it is done. So it is showing it is done. So let's open it and see how it is. And you can see this, it is steaming out. So if we keep like this only, it will dry all the vessels. Now it is not dried actually. You can see the drops falling down, water drops. So if we keep another 10 to 15 minutes, every vessel will be dried. And it is very hot. We can't even touch the vessels. It will be that much hot. So now let's close it, and we'll open it after 15 minutes. Okay viewers, now it is done. I've just opened it after 15 minutes. Now you can see the plates, and it is very hot, and you can see the shiny sparkling shine we can see in each plate. And here still water is there. Right, some more time if we close it, that water also it won't be there. And here, down here, it is dried. Right, so that's it guys. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, please post me in the comment section. I'll definitely reply for you guys. And this is my beginning stage of YouTube videos, so if you find any difficulty in understanding, please ask me questions so that I can help you in your clearing your doubts. And this is my beginning days, so that I'm feeling bit difficulty, but still in future I'm gonna do better and different videos. So if you want to watch such different videos, you have to subscribe my channel. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Meet you in the next time with one more interesting video.